Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your iPhone screen flickering. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your settings, then head straight into General and scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and click on Reset All Settings. This will simply reset all the settings that you might have mistakenly turned on that could be causing this problem. The second thing you want to do is again head straight into your settings and then head straight into your general settings and software update. This is where it's going to show you if your iOS is not up to date, and updating it could go ahead and fix all the previous bugs that you might have. The final thing you want to go ahead and try to do so is going to be restarting your phone. Also, go ahead and try to turn off the true tone or dark mode, and that is done by simply heading into settings and then heading into accessibility, and inside of accessibility simply head to display and text size, and this is where you want to simply turn off the true tone. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.